Hi everyone, my name is Sirisha. I'm from Adhra Pradesh. First of all, I'm really thankful to Evision Technoserve. With their help and support, I got placed at Joles to Watt company, and my client company name is LENOVO, and I was selected with the package of 3.6 LPA. And by joining here, I got the best lecturers, and they have helped me at every stage. And from the placement team, there was a best support, and they have helped at every stage. And also, like lecturers, every day they use it to provide us with the coaching, and what we have learned they will be testing on the other day. With that, we will be getting the support, and we will get to know what we have learned, and how much we are able to remember, how much we are able to practice. We will get a key check on that. And also, the placement team, from preparing the resume till like providing what are the things that we have to remember, what are the things that we have to say during the interview, and how to prepare for the technical round, and how to prepare for the HR round. Everything will be provided by them. It's just that we have to pay our concentration, and we have to give our 100%, because they are providing their complete 100% on us. And they will be checking for each and every candidate. It's not like one person is going and other person they are not asking the question. It's not like that, but we have to make sure that we are able to give the answers when the lecturer is asking regarding the questions. And also, like I got the hands-on experience on CCNA, Windows administration, virtualization, troubleshooting, networking. Everything was great, and I'm really thankful to the Evision Techno Services team. And I would hope that many join in this organization and get placed, and make their life beautiful. And every day is a hustle. Remember it, and always thrive and be the best version that you can be. Thank you.